Start with KCAL9's Lesley Marin. She's live in Seal Beach where they had some lightning out there. Lesley?
Yes, Andy, that's right. It actually shut down the beach for about 30 minutes. Right now, the beach back open. You can see things are clear here in Seal Beach, but we have seen lightning, thunder, and rain in this area on and off. That's why lifeguards are still warning people not to come to the beaches because lightning can strike at any moment. I do want to get to a live look at the Santa Monica Pier where there was lightning this morning. Now, the beach was shut down there for some time. LA County lifeguards have said they are monitoring beaches from Topanga to Marina Del Rey, advising beachgoers of the potential threat of lightning. If you witness lightning in these areas, you are asked to seek shelter. But earlier today, Seal Beach also shut down. Like we said, we spoke to the chief of marine safety about the dangers for people.
You know, when there's lightning storms near the coast, we want to get people off the beach because in wide open areas, lightning will strike the tallest thing, and sometimes that's people.
And this is the tweet sent out by Seal Beach Police around 9 this morning, closing the beach and pier because of the weather and the lightning that they saw in this area. Rain, thunder, and lightning have all rolled through Seal Beach just throughout the morning. But some beachgoers we spoke to say they do welcome this winter weather.
This is beautiful for me. It's 30 degrees in New York, you know, so I'll take this any day.
We get so little rain normally, and of course it's coupled with the wind and the waves. Always come down and see what the sea is doing.
Now, the lifeguards here in Seal Beach have set up their sand berm that they do every year around this time. There is no flooding in this area today. We have not seen any, but this area is prone to flooding when we do get rainstorms. Again, lifeguards warning people, if you are going to be outside, if you are coming to the beaches, just make sure you watch out for any of that thunder and lightning, and make sure if you do see it or hear it, you do seek shelters.